Yes, Dr. Sharmani.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Mansi ma'am. Good evening, all the participants. Sir, today we are doing shoulder, quick revision, and always, sir, every webinar we have something new to learn from you. It is nothing like it's a repetition, I think. And at this stage, after manual therapy, we are touching after a very long time. This month being August, a special month, and as AMP specializes in manual therapy, so it is a really good, refreshing. All memories from the last year, everything is coming very beautifully, sir. So every webinar, sir. Yesterday was TMJ. It was wonderful, sir. Despite all, I mean, those techniques of putting inside the mouth, I think nobody will ever think of also and doing it also. Today also shoulder about the rigid taping and revision of all the special tests. It's my request to all the participants to take the possible videos, all possible videos, whether it's taping, and keep improving your knowledge so that you can get better and better. As you get more long knowledge, your confidence also improves. You're more confident treating the patient. You know what you're doing, and it's really you get instant results. So the patient also feels better, you also feel better. At the end of the day, you're satisfied with the results, with the work that you're doing. And I mean, and then you keep learning also. So it's really wonderful. A big request to all the participants to take all the videos, whatever related in your own possible ways, whichever field you're interested in, whether it's taping, cupping, anything. Start with something and go for it and make the most of it. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And the certified manual therapy practitioner, which is the basic videos, okay, which involves the anatomy, biomechanics, physical examination, differential diagnosis, all 10 regions, including spine and extremities. The next one has the manual therapy 10 concepts, all the materials and sample techniques. Then the detailed Maitland Edwards Reacts with the myofascial muscle energy, and then the neuromanual therapy. Okay, so it is like 15-20 videos of each of these concepts. Maitland has around 50 videos. So this full package is a basic requirement. Okay, if people have not taken this package, they will not get anything out of this kind of master classes, because they have to see that the original concepts are important. Okay, we are using it regionally, we are applying it, but means what are we applying? That means we need to know physical examination, we have to know the mechanics and the manual therapy concepts. Okay, adjuncts are the cupping, taping, IASTM. Okay, so you can always use that judiciously. Okay, so for them also there are videos. So rigid taping, kinesiotaping, so separate. All this basic level, all the videos will be 15 to 20 videos per course. But if it is practitioner level, it's 50 videos or some major courses, okay, which we conducted in 2021. So people who are in clinics and seeing different types of patients should take the certified practitioners. Okay, so that will give a real life scenario, okay, clinical case-wise application of the concept of the techniques.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Shalini ma'am. Good afternoon, Ramdas sir. So, sir, we are seeing shoulder today through impingement point of view, instabilities point of view, frozen shoulder point of view. But, sir, new thing which I saw today was the scapulohumeral rhythm dyskinesia, sir, that we have done. Usually, we take the patient in front of the mirror and tell them, okay, correct yourself, correct yourself, correct yourself. But doing it with the Mulligan's mobilization and then adding the functional movement to it, that was really very interesting, and I think that will be very helpful to each and every patient with scapular dyskinesia, sir. Then, sir, again, rigid taping for instabilities, the special tests that you mentioned, sir. The takeaway point for me is to know your surface anatomy, I think. That is very important, because you'll be not able to do taping, you will not be able to identify, and you will not be able to find out the trigger points if you want to go ahead with myofascial releases. So that is the takeaway point for me. All well, sir, going very interesting. Thank you so much, sir. Especially the taping for acromaclavicular and sternoclavicular joint for the instabilities. That was very interesting, sir. First time for me. So thank you so much, sir. All good, sir. Over to you, sir.
Remember that try to integrate the impingement syndrome masterclass Okay, so that is much more deeper. Okay, when it comes to shoulder and application of manual therapy, regional interdependence. So try to see that these here I am taking individual regions. Okay, I am not talking beyond that, and it's only manual therapy. So I should do justice to the manual
Yes.
therapy. Okay, so this course, the CMD. So if I start teaching taping fully or ISTN fully or cupping fully, it's injustice. Okay, so the same way, regional interdependence comes in uh, patient-centered, case-based master classes, which is like impingement syndrome master class. Okay, like lateral ankle sprain, plantar heel pain. So all those 10 clinical master classes. This is a regional and manual therapy masterclass. Okay, so we should do focusing on this. Okay, so that is why I am not going into that aspects. But others should remember that there is a big role of thoracic spine. You can do thoracic spine mobilization also for impingement syndrome, but it is not the manual therapy for shoulder. Okay, it's a manual therapy for thorax in patient who has shoulder disorders. Okay, so the same way core stability training, motor control, it's a lumbar spine intervention, but we are using it in shoulder. Okay, so it is for rehabilitation of shoulder, but it is not the manual therapy for shoulder. Okay, so you should know that the boundaries, okay, where we can actually do justice, okay, when it comes to. Also, I wanted to make it like to emphasize, okay, on the most important things which we usually miss in clinical practice. Okay, to differentiate a rigid with a rigid tape, we can differentiate an instability. Okay, we can simultaneously treat. Okay, and patient will feel better. And same way, like you have what is called as mulligans, okay, which is going to relieve the symptoms. So these things are important in first day, okay, when patient is there. And of course, myofascial also we are going to see, and you will have further insights on how to simplify. Okay, right. So we'll move on to the demonstrations. Continue.